Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Get ready for new home crochet decoration ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your home decor. Today's video is all about crochet home decor ideas. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your home decor. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Don't forget to press bell icon so that you can find all new video notifications. Crocheting home decor offers a range of benefits, from personal satisfaction to practical advantages. Here are some benefits of crochet home decoration. The first and the main one is creativity. Encourages self-expression through design and color choices. Customization allows you to create unique pieces that fit your personal style and home aesthetics. Cost effective. Can be more affordable than purchasing ready-made decor items. Quality control. You can choose high-quality materials and ensure durability. Therapeutic. Provides a calming meditative effective reducing stress and anxiety. Skill development. Improves hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Versatility. Can be adapted to various styles, bohemian, rustic, modern, etc. Gift potential. Handmade gift and item make thoughtful personalized gift for friends and family. Sustainability. Use eco-friendly materials, reducing environmental impact. Home ambience. Adds warmth and coziness to your living space. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a project boosts confidence and satisfaction. Community. Join crochet groups or online communities for support and inspirations. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like, so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. And I'm always looking for your beautiful comments. So don't forget to leave your comment only by your heart. Thank you. We will go ahead. Educational. Learn about patterns, color theory, and different crochet techniques. Versatile projects. Create items for every room from the kitchen to bedroom. Functional decor. Items like baskets and coasters serve practical purposes while being decorative. Seasonal decor. Easily creative piece that reflects holidays or seasons, changing decor thoughtful. Memorable keep space. Handmade items can become cherished family heirlooms. Mindfulness. Engaging in crochet can promote mindfulness, helping you focus on the present. Social connections. Share your creations and techniques, fostering a relationship with fellow crafters. Legacy. Pass down your skills and creations to future generations. continuing the tradition of crafting. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. So keep in touch with our channel videos. Thank you very much for watching.